Hi, I'm Liz from Letter Me. The basic principles for brush calligraphy are thick downstrokes and hairline upstrokes. To achieve this, I add pressure to my downstrokes and reduce pressure to create thin upstrokes. When starting out, choose colours that blend well together. Analogous colours or neighbouring colours that are adjacent to each other on the colour wheel go really well together. They look aesthetically pleasing and they produce a calming, harmonic effect. I enjoy using water to blend colours to make my letters transition seamlessly. Using a clean brush, you can also push the pigments from either direction to help the colours flow better. To create my abstract flowers, I like layering my artwork with heavy pigments and manipulating it with water. Both the Albrecht Duro watercolour markers and pencils work really well for this application,